What's up guys, Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For today's video, ituturo ko kayo sa showroom ng Ford Cagayan de Oro, and I will give you all the prices that we see sa kanilang display dito. So tara, simulan natin ang ating video. Now, simulan natin dito sa ating Ford Ranger Wild Truck 4x4 top of the line na meron na siyang roller lid na automatic. So, you can just use the remote na para ma-open and close mo yung ating roller lid. So, magkano nga ba yung ating Ford Ranger Wild Truck, the latest model? So, this one with the power roller shutter or roller lid is priced at 1,808,000. So 1,808,000 Philippine pesos, and 20% all-in down payment at 208,000 Philippine pesos. So ayan mga kamotorista, yung ating Ford Ranger Wild Truck 4x4 automatic. Next, dito naman tayo sa ating Ford Everest Sport. So yung Ford Everest Sport natin is tignan natin, yung Everest Sport natin is the second to the last, or second above the trend model na 4x2. So this is their mid variant, no? So this is priced at 1,980,000 Philippine pesos. These prices, they include the freight from shipping from Manila to Cagayan de Oro. So kasama na yung price that. Alright. Okay, so this is the Ford Everest Sport 4x2 automatic transmission, and 20% all-in down payment, 188,000 Philippine pesos. Free comprehensive insurance for 1 year, free LTO registration for 3 years, and free chattel mortgage. So kasama na yung matting natin, seat cover, vehicle tint, and 15-liter fuel for the umbrella, and free labor sa first oil change, first to 10,000 km DMS, I think. So next naman, meron tayong Ford EcoSport dito. So yung Ford EcoSport nito has been updated, no, for the 2018-2019 model year, and iba na yung mukha niya. Mas malaki na yung headlights, sa ilalim na part is signal light natin is mas malaki na din siya. So this is color red. So this is a compact crossover SUV, and ngayon wala na masyadong makikita ng mga EcoSport natin, no? So I don't know why, pero yung price nito, so meron tayong tatlong variant sa ating EcoSport. Meron tayong top of the line na titanium EcoBoost, meron tayong trend automatic, and trend manual transmission. So this is the trend manual transmission. So this is priced at 978,000 Philippine pesos. So this is priced at 978,000 pesos mga kamotorista, and promo nila is 0 down payment para sa ating EcoSport. Okay? 0 down payment, guys. Okay? So wait lang, nakalimutan ko palang sabihin yung mga monthly nito. So kung mag 20% down payment ka sa ating Ford Ranger Wild Truck, and 5 years na monthly mo, guys, is 5 years na monthly mo is 37,245. Dito naman sa ating Everest Sport is 40,953, and sa ating again EcoSport is 20,147. That's for 5 years. And meron tayong van dito, wala tayong price na kasi minsan lang to. So this is the Ford Transit van. Anyway, move on tayo dito sa Ford Territory. So Ford Territory natin is priced at 1,322,000, and if you are going to do a down payment sa ating Ford Territory, it is 178,000. That's for the Trend CVT. Pero yung titanium mo kukunin nyo, it's 188,000 and 27,000 yung monthly mo. Sorry, 27,913 yung monthly for 5 years. Okay? So, meron tayong brown dito na Ford EcoSport. Okay? So, ayan guys yung mga sasakyan ni Ford dito na naka-display sa kanilang showroom sa Ford Cagayan. If you have any more questions na, you can just come here sa kanilang showroom. If taga Mindanao ka pero ibang place, diba? So, just contact them. Meron silang Facebook page and also you can just search them on Google. Okay, so yan guys, I hope you like this video. Short video lang talaga, just to show you the prices of the current Fords na andito sa ating showroom. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Motorista Adventures on our YouTube and Facebook page guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this is Adrian. You're watching Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.